In this video, we'll take a look and see what we can do with a lesson. To begin with, let's log in. So we click the big login or register button at the top. We come to our login page, and since we've already registered, we have to put in our username and password. Mine is already in because I saved it from before. So I'll just click login, and now we're in. Now I can get my lesson, since it's a lesson I created myself, either in my authored lessons or in my lessons if it's been published. The lesson I'm going to take a look at is the one called chemical symbols. If you watched the previous video on how to create a simple multiple choice lesson, then you know this is the one that we created in only 3 minutes. Now, our philosophy is that any content should be usable by students in a lot of different views, in a lot of different ways, without any extra work by the teacher. Because students are different, and they each may like different things. And among all the things that they can do, they can learn, they can review, they can test themselves, and they can play. And we think playing games is an important part of what you can do. So let's go and take a look at the different things that you can do with the lesson that we created in 3 minutes. First thing we can do is we can very simply just see the questions and answers that we put in. The elements and their symbols. That's all very nice, and it's nice that it can be played on any device. But the system also creates a lot of other views of that same information without me or you or any of us actually having to do anything for it. So here's another view of that same information where we can match up the correct symbol to the correct answer. And if we do it right, we get a little feedback, and if we do it wrong, oops, that's the wrong one. Let's go here. And as you can see, if we do it right, we get a little check mark once we've got them all right. And of course, none of us did any work to actually create that view. Here's another view. This is a multiple choice view. Again, of the same information. And now let's see. Hydrogen is correct over here. And if we get the wrong answer, it shows us what was the right answer. This is AU, and iron is it I? Nope, it was FE. Now, how about if we try a short answer question? Same sort of thing, but now, if we put in the wrong answer, it'll show us what the right answer was. Put in the right answer, then we're doing fine. So there's a short answer view of the same question. Now we can play some games with it too. For instance, here we're a robot, and like most metal men, robots don't like rain. So we have to click the right cloud. If we click the right cloud, we'll have a sunny day. If we click the wrong cloud, oh darn, it rains on us. Well, lucky we've got an umbrella. Well, let's see if we can get the right one this time. There you go. And now we've got a nice sunny day. Now, instead of this, we can play a car game. How about a speed racer? And now, every time we get the right answer, we get a little turbo boost. If we get enough right answers, we'll win the game. I don't know, how are we doing here? I think... Oh yeah, we won. And we can even play a crafty fish game. Okay, hydrogen is the symbol, is the element, and we've got to find the symbol for it. And there it is. We can catch it. There we go. We got it. Next one is oxygen. Avoid the obstacles. Oops. We hit the obstacle, and that's the way the game gets played. So those are some of the activities and games that you can do with a simple multiple choice lesson. And we're creating new games and activities all the time. So expect to see more every time you try it out. Now, along with that, you can also take a look and see what it's like when you start creating multimedia lessons. Next two videos are about creating a video-based lesson and what you can do with a video-based lesson. So be sure to take a look at those. Thanks for watching.